Hi to all. Today we are going to get the experience of a team member and an intern from Startup Icons. Her name is Shruti.
Hello, how are you doing, Ritvik?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm just busy with the workload.
Okay. So, when did
Yeah.
you join and how did you find Startup Icon?
Actually, start digital marketing area was not my preference, first of
Okay.
all, because I completed my BBA and my specialization was finance. So I thought, why no need to go for marketing side. Later, then I changed my mind and opted for like marketing to know what is the recent trend going in marketing.
Yes.
I just gave it a thought in my mind that why don't I go for digital marketing, because basic marketing concepts it will be covered in BBA, and digital marketing I'm not aware of it. So I thought like why don't I reach any digital marketing company or institute or training, like who is the service provider we were searching. So on one fine day, me and my dad were traveling on this Astronagar road. We saw the Startup Icons board near the town. Near the overbridge, we saw the board, and I just dad clicked a photo and he's just sent it to me. You got it right. You were just searching for this, right? I was like, no, let's see. Meanwhile, I was in Gujarat at that time, so I was not sure whether to join here or not. Then later, when I came back to Hyderabad, we discussed it and we tried to reach the person who is the head of or who is the founder of the company. Then we went there and we met our Startup Icons founder. His name is Ravinder sir. He's such an intelligent, excellent person, very hardworking person whom I know, and we asked him like how it is and is it going to
Okay.
work in this area, and am I be able to learn it quickly. He is like, I'm ready to guide you sir, I'm ready to assist you. We were like, okay, we'll just join. Then one day I did a demo class or something, then from next day I joined here. I think it's been like around 2.5 months completed by now. First it was the training period, then I'm continuing as an intern here as of now. Yeah.
How is your experience right now?
Experience right now, obviously the workload it is there, we can't
Okay.
escape from it. And I would like to tell one thing, no matter how much work I have, but sir will always support me and guide me like no one else.
Okay.
And sir is always ready to help me. I don't think so any person might take this much of concentration and attention to just guide a student in this way. So I'm very glad to come here and reach to Ravinder sir. Yeah.
Yes. And would you advise anyone who is looking for training of startup like marketing?
Definitely, I would advise, because digital marketing is something. It's a important process for any company, for any business, or for any startup company. Any kind of business, we require some basic kind of marketing and all.
Yes.
So without digital marketing, one, I think it's a backbone of each and every business. So
Yes.
without digital marketing, one cannot go further. Without, at least we no need to be expert in that, or else we must know what it is and how it works in the market and what are the changes or challenges we need to face. We need to work like that, and we need to at least know. For knowing and getting a better exposure, I would recommend Startup Icons as the best digital marketing agency.
And what are your plans after this?
After this, my only concentration is to get into a good placement, very
Okay.
good placement, and I hope Ravinder sir will supports me all day. Of course, he supports, but even I hope that I'll work hard.
Yes.
And oh, okay.
That's all for today. If you like the
So
video,
please
please like,
share,
share,
and
subscribe
subscribe
to
to our
our
video.
channel.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.